Hold on to one foot, and then I'm going to swim. You hold on to this foot.
Turn over, turn over.
And you hold on to this foot. Ready? Here we go.
Good job. Okay, turn over.
Yay!
Good. More float. Let's do a throw, okay? Oh, and then I want to see you get on your back, okay? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Good job. Take a rest.
Take a rest. There.
Okay, come to me.
All
Good
right.
job. Okay.
The phone that's being held by. Don't touch it though.
1, 2, 3.
Come on.
Swim to
Take a rest. Take a rest.
Auntie Fee's own shallow.
Okay, run them all the way. I'm in front of your eyes. These things.
What?
Like you have wings. These.